Thank you,
Okay.
everyone. Thank you, Mr. Muntasir, to sharing the flow with me. I hope I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes, I am. So here I go. So in every challenge, a chance appears to turn your doubts to conquer your fear. The door don't stay those for who waits. You must embrace it to create your fate. Good evening, esteemed guests, colleagues, and innovators. My journey began to a world where opportunity in fashion was limited, and believe in my talent, people hardly can trust of. But today, I proudly stand before you, recognized by Forbes, CNN, and UNESCO. My story is a testament to the power of perseverance and dreams. My name is Rokaiya Purna. Today, I'm really happy to share a very interesting topic with you that is fashion in the future, empowering Bangladeshi creativity through technology and global connections. Bangladesh boasts a rich heritage, with the artisans celebrate for their centuries-old craftsmanship. However, in rapidly evolving world, it is very crucial to integrate technology, innovation, and global partnership to positioning Bangladesh as a global creative powerhouse. As a co-founder of Design in Bangladesh and UNESCO expert in fair culture, I championing an initiative that merges traditional craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. And also, my work underscores the transformative power of innovation in driving sustainability, inclusivity, and cross-border collaboration. Transforming the technology in fashion. If we can see the global industry, we can see how it is at a crossroads, balancing the technological innovation with urgent sustainability needs. While fashion significantly contribute to the climate changes, producing 92 million tons of waste annually, where in the same point technology offers transformative solution. Techniques like sustainable materials, 3D innovation developments, printings, you reduce a lot of wastage. Now, the time people are practicing circular circular economy and promote circularity and sustainability. Uh, as a designer, I always fond of global fashion landscape. And when I'm talking about global fashion landscape, it's really hard to see that global connectivity bridging the global northern and southern parts, it's always been there. Like, for example, considering the global south, including Bangladesh, often face barriers to accessing resources and global platforms. Hardly we can see a global north is very, from the global south is like closely perform their talents in global arena or very easy aspects. Bridging these gaps requires collaboration and investment in innovation hubs that prioritize research, global connections, inclusivity. Such platforms empower underrepresented designers to scale their ideas and contribute to the sustainable future. Now it's time for the forward technology. What we can see in forward technology, there is a lot of innovation are coming. There is a lot of virtual things are coming into this area. But who is behind that? There is a human. Bangladesh is a place where it's the second largest exporter and it's called a producing country where virtual fittings room, personalized design systems are already like in our wardrobes, and also brands are fond of to engage with those of engagements. Consumers also like rapidly engage into this over production situation and creating an opportunity for connecting the global south to make a more producing in a sustainable manner. For Bangladesh, it's also create an opportunity for the creative designers where they can perform to their advancement and present their opportunity to reimagine traditional crafts like jamdani, katha, embroidery through AI and 3D printing, enhancing their accessibility and relevance. I'm really happy to share one of my like core projects. This is very like connect to my heart. That is called Design in Bangladesh. Why Design in Bangladesh? I never believe in clothing and making products. It's more into a solution. I always feel design is something which come and bring a solution towards all of us. I never thought about an individual perspective instead of our global aspects. On that note, I proudly launch our platform that is called Design in Bangladesh. We are a stand for virtual museum, climate action, innovation lab, entrepreneurship, sustainability, and academic. Here is a small short story behind this platform. I'm the first Bangladeshi who have launched design in Bangladesh, and my designs are globally recognized. Because of this, the all over the world now knowing me because I'm the first Bangladeshi. But what's holding us? The problem is only a platform. Problem is global connection. Problem is a space. Then I found that why not we are creating a global solution for one of us, which easily connected to each other in a creative aspects. Creativity is somewhere nobody can hold. We can expert, and when the technology is coming with the creative aspects, we can do much more. Here I proudly share one of our screen. You can see in my screen that it's a platform. I'm proudly launching it here. So here all the creatives in Bangladesh, not only Bangladeshi, from the other global north area also can get individually to share their knowledge, ideas, and also these platforms mobilizing their portfolio and their design solution in all over the globe. And also in this aspect, I always try to find that digital fashion in future, because everything is transforming and movable. In this note, the age of digital fashion reshaping the industry, offering the infinite creativity without physical constraint, it's always now roaming in our places. Virtual clothing, knits, and tools like save our wardrobes to enable a circular economy. So focus is the same. We want to create a better future, to create a circular economic movement, reduce waste. Digital fashion also allows a new consumer to experience from gaming avatars to holograms, where Bangladesh is now adopting this kind of facilities through their 3D facilities in the design transformative and innovative solution. Major brands are already adopting those trends, platforms, and also throughout our platform design in Bangladesh, we try to ensure our creatives can participate in this transformation. And also highlighted the virtual museum and physical museum. Virtual museum, it's very important to share our heritage and culture to all over the area. So their virtual museum is going to be play a very big global role in a global aspect. And also in physical museum, a contribution hub for the artisans, designers, technologies, and innovate to connect together. And the purpose is to celebrate heritage while driving forward thinking and innovation. Here I'm proudly share a small glimpse of the virtual museum layout. It's not finalized yet, but again, we started. That's the main point. I always believe a cross-border collaboration. I did a lot of international fashion show and I got a lot of like more than 9 international achievements. But throughout this journey, I have learned there is nothing to behold except the cultural collaboration, the cross-cultural event collaboration. Having from a Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week to participate in ID Fashion Week, ID Otago Museum exhibition, all comes together to bridging the gap, to connect our creativity, to share our expert knowledge. Innovation thrives and cultural coins. So it's all about cross-border collaboration and approaches to access advancement, technique, resources, and markets. Creating the talents is global aspects is always important for us, where we are always stand for our best practices as an individual and a global aspects as well. Why us? This is really important question. When we are thinking about the global transformation, it's always created by the humans. We are the humans with our vision. We wanted to do our innovation. We create the AI. We create this transformation. And with that note, we want to transfer ourselves, where we only the human transform our problem to create a solution aspects. Design is something which creates a unique perception, blending beauty, ethics, and particularly into a global collaboration aspects, where we all can stand for to collaboratively work together to bring a solution where we bridge the gap of global north and global south. And it's all about the collection. It's no matter what the platform stand for. It's about our mindset, that how we collect together and collectively work together. Throughout our journey, we always think about the perception. In the particularly, we have a lot of individual mindsets, and these individual sometimes aspects like to holding us to perform to in the global arena, or also in the individual level, when we found that like we don't have freedom of space, freedom of collaboration space, and the ethical way that we cannot collaborate, that's always been a bindings. On that note, I think always a man power driving us to collaborate in near future. I think solution is within us. It's all about that how we can collaborate each other, making a huge difference. I believe this platform and the initiative mostly, we all can work together, thrive on new challenges. Let's make a difference. Let's work together. I'm sure that all of our agenda is same. It's all about we all need to create a new differences. Let's make a difference. Let's create a difference. Thank you everyone for hearing me.